Hi, I'm Brittany Riley, and you're in the kitchen with Britt. I'm here in the beautiful kitchens of Home Appliance in Avon, Ohio, and we're going to do some steamed shrimp in the steam oven. So right now I have my defrosted peel and eat shrimp, and I made sure to kind of dry it off a little bit too after defrosting it. This little spice blend is just some salt, some paprika, chili powder, red pepper flakes, and a little bit of cumin. We're gonna sprinkle some in here to get these guys coated and then just pop them into the steam oven. So we have our perforated pan that the shrimp will go right on top of. But as I'm preparing it, I always have the solid pan underneath so nothing gets on the countertop. And then when we put it into the oven, kind of placing them in there like that too, just so it catches a lot of the liquid and we're not cleaning up in the oven as much. So I'm just gonna kind of toss to coat these and get them on to the rack. And our steam oven's beeping at me because I need to add water. Sorry about that. All right, so nothing too crazy. We'll get these on here. They'll go in for just under 10 minutes. These are some smaller shrimp too, so you don't want to go too long. And it's awesome because, you know, it's an easy cleanup and you're not going to overcook your shrimp with that steam being imparted too. They stay super juicy and you can do a ton of it at a time. This is 2 pounds that we're just tossing in. You want to try to kind of get it as much into a single layer as possible, but you know, you don't need to go super duper crazy if there's a little bit of overlap. And then I have a couple of really good cocktail sauces that we're gonna put with it. I cold smoked some cherries out on our Kamado Joe and made a smoked cherry cocktail sauce. And then we also have a roasted red pepper one. So we're gonna get these in the oven and check back in on them in less than 10 minutes. Okay, it's been about 8 or 9 minutes. It smells good, it looks good. Yeah, these guys are done. You can serve them hot. I'm gonna cool them down to serve them with our cocktail sauce.